welcome to my channel. Now I am going to cover about series of mastering Chat GPT prompt with example. In this series, guys, you are going to utilize this Chat GPT with the correct way of prompting, and this will be helps to you in order to utilize the AI in best way. So in this series of videos, I am going to cover how to utilize the Chat GPT in best way, and this will help to you in daily activities wherever you're working on your professional job. Okay, now let's go ahead and start this session. So guys, before going inside into this Chat GPT, right? What is Chat GPT, right? So actually, guys, it was launched on November 30, 2022, and it is currently available to the public. We have another version also, right? Chat GPT 4, that is like completely paid version. Right now we are using free version. This is enough to like boost your career skills with AI and how to utilize the AI also. Okay, so OpenAI is and continue to develop Chat GPT, and it has released number of updates since its initial launch. An example in 2023, guys, what happened, when it launched ChatGPT Enterprise, which offers enterprises great security, privacy, unlimited high speed of GPT-4 access, longer context, it means windows of processing of larger input, advanced data analysis capability. So guys, when it got launched in 2023, what happened? For example, of August 2023, OpenAI, like it is provided the version of GPT-4 access that will help for the businesses mostly like in order to do their data analysis capability and customer option and much more. So guys, OpenAI is also working on new features of capability of ChatGPT, such as ability generating creative text format like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, emails, letter, etc. I want to give you some key things of the real-time example, guys. For example, ChatGPT right now using with Microsoft also, everyone. Okay, you don't need to do like write a manual formulas in the Excel sheet. Okay, with help of ChatGPT, you can simply mention the prompting exact way with what kind of formula you want. You just mention the description level, so automatically the formula will be showing by the Chat GPT, guys. And one more thing, right now, like nowadays, everyone using chatbot also. Like it is used for the like in order to helps to you, assist to you. For example, if you buy the product, you want to know about the product with help of Chat GPT bot, they can utilize it. Okay, I mean it can assist you guys what are the services provided by that company. So guys, apart from this, we have some drawbacks also and good way of utilization also. Nowadays, mostly if you see the content creators are like day to day, they are uploading the images with help of AI. They're uploading the text with help of AI also. So nothing but like ChatGPT is like it will reduce your manual efforts, and it is the best way to like use the content in order to survive your job side, guys. So guys, mostly what I want to tell here. So little bit history of ChatGPT. ChatGPT has come long way since its inception. Starting as a language model, it has evolved into a powerful tool for building conversion. AI. Explore the major milestones and advancement of that has shaped the development ChatGPT. Remarkable chatbot is today. I already told you guys, right? Nowadays, everyone, if you go to like some websites, okay, you will get a ChatGPT bot. For example, if you're searching on something, sometimes in Google, right, automatically some websites are suggesting to you, okay, hey, you can use ChatGPT, whatever prompting automatically, whatever question you type, ChatGPT giving the answer in the Google search also, guys, whenever proper searching, right? So that is the way utilization of the ChatGPT has a chatbot, guys. Okay, but there are many sites, guys, nowadays is using. Okay, and one more thing, guys. ChatGPT actually short for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It is advanced AI chatbot developed by AI, and I already told you it is developed by AI. It is like one of the organization, OpenAI. So they are mainly on focusing on they are making the some model which is trained for the AI, and it excels in getting open-ended fluent conversion, generating human quality test, and adapting to different communication styles. It's versatile, make it applicable in various domains, including education, customer services. Okay, so guys, it is just mainly focusing on the in order to help the human, like if anybody is making mistakes, right, in order to write some emails, in order to write some for example, if you're working on various domain, you want some information, those kind of stuff, right, you can get it with help of ChatGPT, guys. So we have like Google's Bard AI, that is also similar with ChatGPT. But when it comes to like a way of utilizing ChatGPT, Bard AI is similar. But if you want to make differences, like I will cover in another video, what is the core differences with ChatGPT and Bard. Okay, so guys, main content utilizations for the like software developer can use the ChatGPT to generate a code and debug the code. ChatGPT also can also be used to write documentation and user guidance. For example, if you develop the code, if you want to develop the code, okay, and you can write in the, any other language. If you want to like the similar concept to which is using for example, if you want to move one location to another location in the file, right? So you want into the Java, you want into Python. So ChatGPT can write those kind of that, and you want some documentation for this, right? So ChatGPT can help us to provide the documentation also, guys. And the content writer mostly nowadays using guys like news writers and the like bloggers, they are using bloggers also using, and a content writer we can use ChatGPT to generate ideas of new articles, blog posts such as social media posts. Nowadays everyone is posting some content on the ChatGPT where you don't need to type it, and some people even like social influencers nowadays, they are using the ChatGPT with help of some prompt. They are automated that prompt automatically every day they are posting some information, guys. So those kind of features we can get with help of ChatGPT. And mostly a customer service representative can use ChatGPT to answer questions and provide support. ChatGPT can be used to create a chatbot that can handle customer inquiries 24/7, guys. So as I already told you, so right now ChatGPT can also use to create a chatbots that can handle customer inquiries 24. So you can utilize this chatbot as 24/7, guys. Even the person is not available, right? The ChatGPT can help to provide the inquiries who want what kind of information. A student can use ChatGPT that help them with their homework and research. ChatGPT can also use it to generate creative writing assignments such as poem and short stories. So this is the major thing of introduction of the ChatGPT, guys, which I am providing to you. And my coming sessions, I will cover about how to utilize the ChatGPT in particular professional. For example, like you are like a teacher, you are like a student. So how to provide the prompt and how to get the required input for your questions and best answers, guys. Okay, so this is the major thing of my video, guys. So purpose of this presentation, I have using enhanced AI chatbot performance. We will discuss chatbot prompt can improve chatbot performance and customer satisfaction. You will get a glimpse of for like state of the art chat technologies and explores potential in various domains. So we are going to explore in the various domains how to utilize this ChatGPT, its potential. Learning hands-on best practice, we will provide effective tips and tricks, mastering prompt, generating, applying them in real-world scenarios, guys. So, so in second video,